Ever wondered if that StockX tag actually does anything beyond looking a Euro official? Today, we're unlocking its hidden power. First, you need to have the StockX app installed on your phone and be logged in. If you don't already, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom navigation bar. You should see a few options: Home, Browse, Selling, and Profile. Tap on the Selling tab. This will take you to your selling dashboard. Scroll down slightly, usually near the top or middle of the page, until you find the option to scan a StockX tag. It's typically a button or a text link. Tap on it. The app will now activate your phone's camera. A scanning rectangle will appear on the screen. Position the camera so that the StockX tag on your item is clearly visible within this rectangle. Make sure the tag is well lit and free from any obstructions. Once the tag is scanned successfully, the app will display information associated with that tag, such as the item's details, purchase history, or even allow you to list the item for sale. You should also see confirmation that the tag has been verified. If the scan is unsuccessful, you might see an error message like tag not found or invalid tag. This could mean the tag is damaged, counterfeit, or not properly registered with StockX. Contact StockX customer support if you suspect any issues. And that's it. Scanning your StockX tag helps ensure authenticity and streamlines the selling process. Now go ahead and give it a try.